Hey guys, RTT back here for the video. I know we have 3 unboxings today. Of course, we just unboxed this bad boy right here. The Sony 70-200mm f2.8. And now we're kind of going a little more when it comes to the f-stock. This is actually f4, and this is a little bit less light in the camera, but still a very, very good lens. And this is a f4 Sony Zeiss lens, 16-35mm. So, very, very nice lens right here. Go ahead and get this out of here. And let's see what this bad boy is actually packing. Alright. I said this in my last video, but you know what's expensive is when it comes to the bag. When it comes to the bag, that's like the telltale sign of this bad boy is about to be expensive. So, let's go ahead and open this up. And here is the guy. Like I said, guys, nice Zeiss lens. 16-35mm. You guys are gonna be seeing an unboxing of this lens. I'm sorry, a review of this lens sometime very, very soon, of course. And it's going to be very gorgeous. And of course, with the lens cap, which a little bit different than the 70-200mm. Definitely say that, but still a very nice lens. Beautiful lens. I'm gonna see some very awesome shots of that, guys. If you did enjoy this video, though, you should like and subscribe button down below. Guys, I know we got 3 videos on the channel today, and I appreciate all you guys stopping by the channel recently. Got a lot of new subscribers recently, and I love you guys to death. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.